So today was full of activity. It was also very interesting. We started the day off by, introductions, getting to know people just beyond their name, really getting to understand their work. So we asked people to come up with some kind of mini profile of themselves, profiling, what their own professional experience is. And then, we put people into groups and ask them to identify commonalities between their experiences and kind of draw some trend patterns, how common are the experiences, and then we use those to define I think something that we call we came up with some thematic areas, and then we built off conversations around those themes to dig deeper into conversations around business modeling and application of technologies and capacity building, and how all those helps improve how digital solutions are utilized in the agriculture and agribusiness space. And then later on in the day we put people into groups. We came up with some kind of matrix that helps us be able to map those key themes into specific value propositions and specific business model items. And then we ask people to volunteer themselves to identify specific areas within that matrix where they feel that they could contribute the most to. And ultimately what we would like to achieve as a group is really to come up with some key products that we can use to showcase and share with different stakeholders ways that we can improve and scale up digital solutions. And I think two of the key products that came up with really briefs. I think one of them was a technical brief and then a policy brief on specific themes within the digital solutions, and there are also a couple of other interesting products that we will be able to showcase. Some of them could be media products, quotations and videos and things like that. So I think that what we did today kind of set the foundation for a lot of other interesting things that will be happening throughout this workshop.